Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to cancel mapmyrun application or subscription in the membership. After purchasing the membership or the MVP membership of the application, if you want to cancel it, you should go to the subscription panel. Here I am in the dashboard or I am on the main menu of the mapmyrun website because you can have uh, purchased your uh, application, I mean your subscription in the website. If you have it already purchased from your smartphone, this method is not for you. First, for the subscription website buyer, just go to subscription, and here you will find your plans that you had uh, both from here by just clicking on upgrade now, and you added all your buying information and place the order. Here you will find your plans that you had uh, purchased, and you will find that you can edit them. So in this edits, there is the uh, the auto renewal feature that you can enable and disable if you want to renew this subscription each time. And there is also the canceling of the membership. So when you cancel the membership, you will have it ended about by the end of the month or its period. So basically, that's how you do it with the website. But if you had your membership purchased in Google Play or iPhone, you have to contact the customer service of your operating system. For example, if you have purchased uh, your subscription from iPhone, you should go to the iTunes customer service and ask them for the refund or to cancel your subscription. And same goes for the Android users. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.